Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the knowledge is free, into the heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. These are the words from a poem of Rabindranath Tagore, written in 1910 and published in a Gitanjali album of poems in 1912. Respected Chief Engineer, Water Resources Department, senior officers of the department, my colleagues and friends. Yes, the dream of Rabindranath Tagore was realized in the year 1947, but it actually materialized in the year 1950 when India became a republic. And what do I mean by republic nation? What is called a republic nation? A republic nation is the one where the power is held by the people or the representatives of the people we elect. In republic nation, the head of the state is the president, not a monarch. The leaders are responsible for the people who got them elected. And if the leaders do not follow what the people wants, they can be voted out of power. Just a brief about the word republic. Happy wishes on 76th Republic Day to each one of you present here. As you all know, the Constituent Assembly adopted, created, and gave us this Constitution on 26th of November 1949, and the same came into force on this very day of 26th of January in the year 1950. Our Constitution has been on a very, very strong foundation, guiding us towards the more just, equal, and prosperous growth. The rights of, I would say, the rights and dignity of each of us and every citizen of the country is given to us by our Constitution. This has been our Bible for each of the citizens. This has been our Quran for each of our citizens. This has been our Gita for each of our citizens. And this has been on my table since last 1 year. Office table, I mean. Of course, as citizens of our great nation, it is our responsibilities to hold the values enshrined in this Constitution. And what are those values? Justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Let us work together. As our Chief Engineer has already said, that unless we work together, the progress of the state, the progress of the nation will not be seen. And for that, our absolute devotion, absolute dedication, absolute integrity, absolute honesty, and absolute service-minded person for the community welfare need to be worked upon. And how we can do it? It all starts with me, us, and everybody will participate. And let us start this with us at home and at our workplace. Jai Hind. Thank you for this brief opportunity given to me.